Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Sunday and I actually had to film another intro because I lost some footage. So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys what I picked up over the weekend. I did a new painting. I found some stuff at HomeGoods and World Market. So I'll be sharing those things with you. So go ahead and enjoy the clips that I put together and I'll see you guys back here in a few. I decided to do another picture, but this time bigger, because the one that I did in the room I think is just a little too small. Excuse the noise, that is my fan blowing so this thing can dry. So I bought a canvas from at home. I painted over it. I painted it white, and then I just put the spackle all over the canvas just to give it some texture, because I really like the textured pictures. I love that look. And then once it dries, which will be in the morning, I will just paint over it white. So when it's complete, I'll show you guys how it looks. But I think this one is gonna be perfect. I can feel it. So it is the next day, and it's still not completely dry. You guys can see like some pink. Still not like really hard, so I'm gonna put the fan on it, and then I'll probably paint it like later on this afternoon, because once I use that little paint roller, I don't want it to flatten out my texture, so I'm gonna let it dry completely. So yeah, this is it. I'm so excited, y'all. It's huge. Okay, it's bigger than my table. So we're gonna let her dry so we can paint. So here it is. It is massive. Look, it's so big. So I really like it. I did buy a picture light, but I don't like the color gold that it is. So I don't know if I'm gonna use that, send it back. I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all, but yeah, I love, like, look at the details. I love that. So yeah, super nice. And y'all know I'm gonna get a chair for this corner, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're going to look for a chair. All right, y'all, so I have little Tony holding the old picture so you guys can just see the difference. So this is the new one and it's the old one. So big. I love it. Okay, y'all, so I have to do this again because I thought I had the footage of me unboxing unpacking everything that I just picked up, and somehow the footage got deleted. So I'm gonna show you guys again. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen this already, but these are the two bookends that I found at HomeGoods. They look like this, and I just thought that they were really cool. So I got them up here with the books. So now I think like my little shelf is perfect. Like, I just love everything up here, and I'm gonna leave it just like this. So it looks really good. But I just love these bookends. They were $14.99 each. And yesterday I went to Pottery Barn. I didn't vlog in there because it was like a lot of people in there, so I just didn't even bother. But they had like some horse heads in there. They had like the marble bottom. They were like $100, but they were really nice. I did show them on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me now at I am Sharika B, because they see everything first. So yeah, and they see things that don't make it to YouTube. So, but I just thought that these were so cool. I finally bought the Studio McGee knot from Target. This was $20, but I bought this probably like last Tuesday or something like that, but it's really cute. And then from HomeGoods, I have it down here because I think I'm gonna take it back. That's how it looks. I thought that this was really cool and different. I bought it for the coffee table, and I bought some moss from Michael's, but I don't know, I just wasn't happy with the way that it looked on the table. So this is the moss that I bought from Michael's. I absolutely love the way that it looks. And this little black dough bowl is from At Home, but I spray painted it black a while ago. So I just added this up here instead. So we'll see. We'll see. Y'all know I gotta still play around with it, but you guys will see the final look. I just have some books sitting up here right now, but this is just way too boring for me. But I don't know, I'm not completely satisfied with it. I just did it like this last night, but I'm not really satisfied with the way that it looks. So I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more. But I don't think that I'm gonna keep this because it doesn't sit up straight, like it looks uneven. And when it's sitting on the table, and it's just aggravating me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it back. It's kind of like leaning to the side, and I can't deal with it. So I stopped by World Market and I picked up a set of these little wine glasses. They're so cute. They look similar to the ones that I got from Target, but the stem is longer. Let me show y'all. Y'all know that I am a sucker for glassware. I like pretty wine glasses and things like that. I love it. I love pretty dishes and stuff. This is the one that I picked up from World Market, shorter stem. And then this one here is from Target. I've had this one for quite some time, but they might still be in Target. I'm not too sure. But yeah, so pick this up. I just got a set. So I also picked up these little miniature brandy glasses. So we'll just be using these for like little shot glasses or whatever. I thought they were so cute. So these are from World Market. So I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box if you guys want to get you some. Y'all know I am the sauce queen. I have to have sauce with everything. So I gotta wash these, but little dipping bowls. I thought they were really cute. So I bought 4 of these. These were only 99 cents. So yeah. And that's all I picked up from World Market. Just added my little glasses in here. Y'all know this is my guilty pleasure. I just love pretty glassware. I love it. So here is the picture light. It came in yesterday. Let me pull it out the box. So I ordered the gold one, and I hate the way this gold looks. Now the bar right here is nice. Like, this is the gold that I wanted it to be. But this right here, no. So I don't know. I might send it back. But this was for the room. Let me take it in there and see. This color is just killing me. Like, look at this. Like, why it couldn't be this color? Okay, let's take it in the room and see. I already know I'm not gonna like it. So yeah, I hate it. I'm thinking about just spray painting it. We'll see. I don't know. I might spray paint it and just leave it. I think I'll spray paint it. I don't know. Shoot. I don't feel like doing all that. I would have to use tape to cover up that part. Ugh. All right, y'all, so you guys remember this vase that I got from Kirkland's? It's still black in the inside. I painted it last night. I'm still looking for the perfect florals to put inside the vase because I just don't want to put anything in it because y'all know how I am. I like it to look good, so I'm just waiting. I did look in Michael's yesterday, but I didn't really see anything that I liked. I love it. And I got one more thing to show y'all. Okay, so y'all know I'm always on Amazon. So I was scrolling, minding my own business, and I came across these black cards. Like, how cool is this? I don't even play cards. I'm gonna give these to my son, but my oldest son. But these are like so cute. Love this. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I love that picture. I did post it on Instagram, so y'all don't forget to follow me. Go show the pictures some love on my Instagram. I am Sharika B. So right now I'm getting ready to head to HomeGoods to take the piece back that I showed you guys, the little bowl. I have it right here. I'm sitting in my garage, and I don't know if I told y'all, but we went to get the chair from at home and it's out of stock. I was so sad. I was sick to my stomach. I could have threw up. I've been wanting that chair and gosh, I should have got it. So I did go to Pottery Barn to look at a few chairs that they had in there. I didn't really like any. And then I went on CB2 website and I saw a few chairs that I wanted, but I don't want to spend $1,000 on a chair. So I think I'm gonna look for a dupe. So I'm gonna go to a few furniture stores while I'm out. If I can't find anything in store, then I will just order something online. But like I said, I've looked at a few and I don't see anything that I really like. But when I see it, I'll know it's the one, because I really want to go ahead and find a chair for that spot in my studio. So happy birthday to my mom. If you're watching this, happy birthday. My mom turned 60 years old today. Let's go. Okay, so I really did like one of the chairs that was in there, but the pickup time was February 23rd. And I don't want to wait that long. So I gotta sit y'all up here. I know y'all crooked, but y'all, if you guys have never been inside a furniture mart, y'all need to go. When I tell you, they have so much beautiful pieces in there. Like, I couldn't even vlog because I was just like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like, it is so nice. Like, they have so much. Like, this is my first time in a furniture mart because honestly I didn't even know that this place was here. They had so many cute things. Like, when I get my house, I'm shopping here. Like, nice pieces, nice. So if you guys have never been to a furniture mart, check it out. And if you guys are in Jacksonville, it is on Atlantic Boulevard at the end of Atlantic and, what is this? Atlantic and, I think this is Southside. But yeah, like across the street from the Best Buy. Well, not the Best Buy, what is that? Across the street from Fifth Third Bank. Y'all need to check them out. Thank me later, girl.